So here we go to green. Look at that Bobby Ritchie. Bobby Ritchie out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. Caution, caution over in turn 4. Hey, don't Bobby Ritchie and the number 25 car of Tate Nicholson out of Canton. Here we go again. Matt Bishop in that 08 car. Mike Bruner, he jumps up into the 3rd slot. Hey, y'all, Shane Clanton down to the souvenir stand. Go get a picture, go get an autograph, whatever. Bobby Ritchie out of Chattanooga, he's already made his way down to the winner's circle here at Dixie Speedway on a couple of other occasions. Can he do it tonight? And we see Curtis Klein down there in turn number 2. Derek Young, you need to carry your transponder somewhere else because you're interfering with somebody. Brody Bullard out of Canton, Georgia in the number 33 car. Stingers in the pit area. Hey, those guys and gals are ready to roll again. All right, Bobby Ritchie will give it another shot. In the 00 car with the orange numbers, A.J. Carlisi in the 00 car that is currently residing Matthew Turner in that number 10 trying to find him a hole. Matthew Turner, he goes way down on the bottom in that black number 10. As he and that 00 car of A.J. Carlisi continue to battle it out for that number 5 spot. Turner out in front right now. Caution coming out. Jake Tate Nicholson in that number 25. He on the high side. Mike Bruner down on the bottom, and we're going green. Turner, he gets a run on the 08 car of Matt Bishop. Man, I got to tell you, these guys don't care about nothing but that checkered flag because they are beating and banging on one another like you wouldn't believe. The 08, 10, and the 00, and the 00. Tate Nicholson in that number 25. Looks like he's right up on the tail end of Bobby Ritchie, but Bobby doing a good job of keeping him at bay as they're down in turn number 1 and number 2. Nicholson now trying to sneak a peek down on the bottom. Ricky Waters in that car, number 5, making his way on around out of Canton, Georgia. He's going to be feeling a little bit of heat here in a minute from your leaders as they head on down the backside is the number 10 car, Matthew Turner out of Dawsonville, Georgia. He gets around, caution flag going to be displayed. And we got a little bit of debris over in turn number 4. 7 more laps to go for the youngster out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. And they'll line up the candles coming off turn number 4 and keep you on at number 10 of Matthew Turner. Mike Bruner, Matthew Turner, a good battle going on. Here comes A.J. Carlisi, Matt Bishop, Matt Black, they're all coming. Tate Nicholson, he's trying to reel in your leader, but just can't do it. Mike Bruner and Matthew Turner going nose to tail, wheel to wheel, hub to hub. White flag coming down from Bobby Ritchie. Going to try to lead it from flag to flag here tonight at Dixie for the Spring Short Track Championship event. Checkered flag falling for Bobby Ritchie out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. Tate Nicholson, Matthew Turner, Mike Bruner, and the 00 of A.J. Carlisi.